Hey everyone, it's Lanisha here, and welcome to Living Life with Me. So today was meal prep day. I did not do videos. Um, all I did was just take pictures this time. Um, I'm just gonna tell you all what I cooked, which was some shrimp Alfredo with broccoli, and I did the protein pasta like what I did one other time, and all I did was just open up a jar of roasted garlic Alfredo, added some milk, some parsley, onion powder, garlic powder, and I sauteed some shrimp before I put all that together. I just sauteed my shrimp and then I added all of that to the pot. So that'll be a meal right there. And I did that enough for 4 days, or 4 meals, I should say. Um, then my other meal that I did was cabbage, sweet potatoes, and yellow squash. I did do, I think it was 2 chicken thighs I did with the cabbage. Just boiled the chicken thighs with a chicken bouillon cube and put the cabbage in there with that and let the cabbage cook with the chicken broth from that. And the squash, I just boiled it. The sweet potatoes, just boiled them as well. I did put just a little bit of sugar. I did not put that much sugar in the sweet potatoes, but yeah. So, like I said, this video is different than my other ones, just pictures. And of course, yeah, one other thing, I did do the wraps, the turkey wraps, with the turkey and the cheese and the sun-dried tomato and basil mission tortillas. I am now on the Asiago from that package of cheese. So yeah, but anyhow, the pictures are gonna follow this video.